Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer insights with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the main dashboard. Click on New Report to create a fresh report. Select the type of report you need, such as opportunities or accounts. Customize your report by adding fields that matter most to your analysis. Utilize filters to narrow down your data to specific customer segments. Incorporate charts or graphs for visual representation of the data. Save your report and give it a relevant name for easy access later. Next, go to the Dashboard section in Salesforce. Click on Create New Dashboard to start a new visual overview. Add components from your saved reports to provide insights at a glance. Schedule regular report generation to ensure data stays updated. Use the Einstein Analytics feature for advanced data analysis. Analyze customer behavior trends over time through these insights. Leverage customer feedback using Salesforce's survey tools. Integrate external data sources to enrich your customer profiles. Utilize the Service Cloud for deeper insights into customer interactions. Engage in regular team meetings to discuss findings and actionable strategies. Implement customer journey mapping using Salesforce tools. Analyze the outcomes of your strategies to refine future insights. Stay consistent in your reporting efforts for ongoing improvements. End by reviewing and adjusting your approach based on what the data reveals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.